Welcome! Now, let's get practical. I'm Coach Jen, your BeliefSpark avatar, and this video will walk you through simple steps and exercises to practice the self-coaching model every day, helping you coach your thoughts and create better feelings and results. This video is part of our self-coaching model playlist. If you're new here, I recommend starting with video 1 to get the full foundation before diving in. First, become aware of your thoughts. Pause during your day and ask, what am I thinking right now? Notice especially when you feel strong emotions. Writing thoughts down can help. Next, identify the thought behind your feeling. When you feel upset or anxious, ask, what thought is creating this feeling? This takes some practice. Most of us aren't used to slowing down and bringing awareness to our individual thoughts. If you have trouble pinpointing it, ask yourself, what was I thinking right before I got angry or sad? Then, challenge your thought. Ask yourself, is this thought 100% true? Or is there another way to look at this? How would someone the opposite of me be thinking? Choose a new, intentional thought. It doesn't have to be overly optimistic, just more helpful or true. For example, replace I'm going to mess up with I've prepared well and can handle this. Notice how your feeling changes when you think the new thought. And finally, you'll start to take aligned action naturally from your new feeling. Practice regularly, starting with small situations and building up to bigger ones. Over time, this rewires your thinking, feelings, and results. If you want extra support, you can write in with your own everyday challenge and receive personalized coaching videos from BeliefSpark. Coaching is accessible, simple, and comfortable here, and we're ready to help you every step of the way. Thanks for watching this series. Remember, you have the power to change your thoughts and transform your life. Keep practicing, keep coaching yourself, and don't forget to explore the other videos in this playlist for continued growth. You can also write in with your own everyday challenge using the link in the description to receive a personalized BeliefSpark coaching video. Whatever you're facing today, you are not alone. Life is full of challenges, and everyone, truly everyone, needs a life coach at some point.